Bharti Airtel posted a strong set of numbers in the final quarter of FY22. Not only did the performance improve YOY, but it also grew sequentially. Performance of both India and Africa operations remained strong. An increasing subscriber base coupled with tariff hikes helped the company post a significant growth in revenue and operating margins. Airtel's consolidated revenue for Q4 FY22 stood at 31,500 crores, a year-on-year uptick of 22.3%. Growth came from both new and existing customers and was broad-based across India and Africa markets. Geography-wise, the India business revenue registered a YOY growth of 22.6%, driven by a 2.7% growth in subscriber base. The growth was led by healthy addition to the 4G customer base, which was up 12% YOY. The India business ARPU came in at 178 rupees, up 22.8% on a year-on-year basis. In fact, the ARPU improved 9.2% sequentially as well, driven by price hikes taken by the company. Africa business saw a 20.9% growth driven by a 10.3% increase in the ARPU and 8.7% rise in subscriber base. In terms of operating profitability, now the overall margins expanded by 192 basis points over the year-ago period, driven by significant operating leverage that the company enjoys. Operating margins of India and Africa businesses expanded by 194 basis points and 224 basis points respectively. On the subscriber front, Airtel continues to gain from the weak competitive position of Vodafone Idea, whose customer base is shrinking almost every quarter. Bharti Airtel added 9.6 million subscribers in the 12-month period. It's interesting to note that the company continues to garner a strong share of the net 4G additions in the market. The 4G data customer base increased 12% YOY to 200 million compared to the previous year. We believe that with an expanding network coverage, the company will continue to attract new customers. In fact, Airtel rolled out additional 7,000 towers in the quarter gone by. Even post the pandemic and opening up of offices, schools, etc., people continue to spend more time online, as is evident from the 14.2% YOY jump in data consumption in India, and in Africa it has jumped 28.3% YOY. The combination of higher data usage and the rising share of 4G subscribers will continue to drive ARPU growth in the medium to long term. Now, long-term trends such as increasing data consumption as well as price increases in line with inflation will continue to aid the top line. The rising penetration of smartphones, affordability, network and content are fueling data consumption across all platforms. The secular trend in internet penetration is almost certain to persist, and Airtel with its huge subscriber base appears to be in a prime position to profit from that. Finally, post the price war led by Reliance Jio's price-centric strategy for customer acquisition, there has been significant pickup in tariffs. In fact, all companies in the space have started taking tariff hikes. The impact was clearly visible in Airtel's Q4 FY22 numbers as well. We believe price hikes are expected to help Airtel achieve the long-term target of a blended ARPU of more than 250 rupees. Now, of course, like any other business, there will be some risks to watch out for. The pace of new subscriber addition could moderate due to the pandemic. Besides, cash crunch in rural pockets may well put a cap on near-term tariff hikes and could also result in the consolidation of multiple SIMs held by a single customer. But looking at the stock price, the SOTP valuation indicates nearly 22% upside on the current market price, and we advise investors therefore to accumulate the stock with a long-term view.